Hi, hello. Well, that's we are. I want to show you another more thing. Okay, one more thing, because I think it's important. Because maybe you will see more ways to do. Like I say in the past, we have a lot of things, a lot of ways to do the same thing in Android. Maybe two or three different ways. And I want to show you, for example, here the number 19 in a different way. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, we are using for in this case, but we can change the definition. Let me show you. Okay, let's define the next element. Okay, and let's put here is the same like find view by id. Let me show you. Okay, find view by id, and here we can put the element button. Okay, and now we are using our id next button, and well, that's all. It's the same. Okay, sometimes you will think about which is best and why we have two definition. And remember, actually, I can think in two more ways to do the same. Okay, that's that's very weird, but we have a lot of ways to do some things. Okay, so my recommendation is at the beginning, like I say in a lot of chances here in this course, is don't think too much about it. Okay, use whatever you want for now, because when you need a different way to do, you don't have to worry. Android or Android Studio let you know. Okay, you need to change this definition, you need to change the implementation, but you don't have to worry. When it's not working, Android or Android Studio let you know what happened and which is the best option. Okay, so my recommendation for now is be patient, try to understand what we are doing, but don't think too much. Okay, and don't overthink about the definitions or implementation, because sometimes it's a waste of time. Okay, I think obviously more when you are starting in Android. Okay, like as developer. So well, for now, well, it's another way to define the elements. Well, use whatever you want, just take the best of this course and practice. Okay, see you.